Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Thank you very much for calling me the best teacher. Thank you very much for this acknowledgement. Actually, I am not a good teacher. I am trying to be a good teacher. And for this course of journey, it took 35 years to take me here. And when I see myself from my back class, I see myself, the journey was really a tough one. The journey which I recall, it was really full of thorn, it was full of hard task. But when I feel here, when I come here, I really feel myself to be a very proud and very comfortable. Because wherever I go, there is a huge crowd and the people in the queue. The student, those who knows me, they are really very appreciate my way of teaching, because they know the teacher who teaches he teaches us from the depth of the heart. So I feel not only 3rd November is my birthday, I feel every day my birthday when I find a good teacher like you. So if you really want to be the part of my life, to be the part, because those who are sitting before me, one day you will all sit just by me, and you can see that not only 3rd November is the birthday, every day you will feel your birthday, because success means enjoyment, success means pleasure, success means satisfaction. When you satisfy with yourself, it means you are a successful man. If you are satisfy yourself, you are a comfortable man. When you feel comfortability, when you feel success, it means you are making all the time, all the road towards you. You don't have to walk on the road will walk towards you. And I have made it possible. When I started my journey, the journey was a journey of Urdu, Safar. And it ends with the Safar in English, S-U-F-F-E-R. It was really a tough journey, but every journey, it was full of joy. तो मैंने एक उस समय पोएम भी लिखा था, जिंदगी गुजरा मुश्किलों में मगर मजा आ गया जीने में। मैंने अपने रास्ते के सारे पत्थर हिला दिया, जहाँ कांटे भी नहीं उगते थे मैंने वहाँ फूल खिला दिया। तो मैंने वो सभी कुछ पॉसिबल किया। आई मेड एवरीथिंग पॉसिबल बिकॉज ऑफ माई हार्ड वर्क, एंड इन द हार्ड वर्क इंग्लिश प्लेज अ मेजर रोल। इवन टुडे wherever I go, I get a lot of appreciation, I get a lot of respect and honor, and a lot of gift and the love, an incredible love, the love which I have never expected. And I get a respect from the student like you. You can see there are very few students are here. There are hundreds of students, they are not here because they are already established. Wherever they are, they all miss me. They all look forward to see me, and they all want me that my sir, really the lesson what I have taught them, they all recall me. Whenever they meet me, they will call me, they all said the same thing, that the lesson which you have taught us, every day we recall them and we always follow them. So if you really want to make yourself develop, if you really want to make yourself great, so continue studying, because study must be your synonyms. Then only it will be possible to make your dream complete, to make your parents' dream complete. Otherwise, passing the examination and coming and crossing the one class to the another class is not the path of success. It is just spending the time. You have seen, every day there are a lot of students, they come out from the medical colleges and the schools and engineers. But do you think that they are really engineer? Do you think they are really a doctor? Of course they are not. Because they consider themselves a doctor or engineer, but from the depth of their knowledge, they know nothing. They are just on the paper, they are a doctor. Just they are on the paper or an engineer. If you really want to make yourself a good doctor, engineer, or any successful man, first make a good student. Because a good student can be a good doctor, a good student can be a good teacher, a good student can be a good son or daughter. So make yourself a great man. So the 3rd November will be not the birthday, every day of your life will be the birthday. So not wish me happy birthday, I will wish you happy birthday to all of you, to enjoy your life every moment, just not before the examination or after the examination, before the result or after the result. Don't feel success. Every day you feel success, and it will be possible only when you believe in yourself. Believe in yourself that if everybody is doing, if everybody can do, why can you not do? You must do, you of course do, and make your life a lesson for all the ages to come, all the students to come. Then only you can feel yourself better and best student, best daughter, best son. Thank you.